Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I'm gonna do this ghost paper. So I have here, I have the, show you. Grabe ang itim ng noodles. Tingnan nyo yung ano niya, sauce. Yan. Hindi ko pa ata siya nahalo. I have this seafood something. I have this, I don't know if what is this. And then I have like a crab. Another crab. Supposedly I want to take a video with my brother, but maybe his stomach is very sensitive, so I think I'm just gonna put all this one here. Okay, I have 2 milk. I have 2 milk. Ay. Good luck. Tara guys, samahan niyo akong kumain. I don't know if I can do this, but I'm trying. Okay, ready na ba ako? Cheers to myself. Dalawa pala itong dalawang ganito yan. Sino may gusto dyan? Just message me if you want to try this thing. This is the ghost. Wait, I will read it for you guys. This is the heat unit for paper. Ghost paper is Ghost paper is 1 million. Orange habanero 350,000. And then cayenne 50,000. Jalapeno is 8,000. Bell pepper is 0. So, oh my god. And then get a message in here. Do you fear the ghost paper? Take the deer and challenge other souls into the dip of spiciness. So, flaming spicy. Anyway, this challenge, 48 years ago, challenge ako ni King Limar. Talagang challenge na ako supposedly last year. So, dahil nagda-diet nga ako, nagpapalose weight ako. So, kaya ito, this time ko na siya gagawin. And I'm not sure if I can do it. But anyway, yeah. Try na natin siya. Amoy pa lang. So, unang subok. Damihan na natin. Para malaman yung sang. Ang sarap na. Para siyang may saka itlog muna. Para natakot ako sa I'm scared to take a bite, but so now I'm ready. Oh my god. Try it. Big bite, okay? Hala. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why did I do this? Oh my god. Ang labang ko. Dalawang pang inano ko. Ay, grabe. Hala. Uminit yung tiyan ko. Oh my god. Hoy. Sana isa lang ginawa ko. Kaya kayang ubusin. Uy. Saldo, you want to try? Uy. My God. Parang hindi ko nalasahan yung lasa niya. Hindi ko nalasahan yung lasa. Ang nalasahan ko ay ang anghang. Hoy! Ang yabang ko. Hangam yate. Pagkaon eh, ano ba? Is this food? Hala, grabe yung siyang ko. My stomach is really hurt. My stomach is kicking. I'm not sure if I can do it. No milk. I think I can try one more bite. Cannot. I cannot. Cannot. I failed. Alas, ala. My stomach is really upset. I can do it. And I cannot. Mali ata. Yan. Suka ako. Failed. If those who want this thing, let me know. I run in Philippines, so I probably kung sinong may gusto, guys, just please comment down below, and so you can try this thing. Okay, so I think that's it for today, guys. I'm really sorry I failed, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you did not subscribe to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. And guys, I'll see you again on my next video. And that's it. Thank you so much. See you again on my next one. Bye.